Good evening, sir. I wanted to tell my daily routine. So, as you know, sir, first of all, I daily get up in the morning at around 6 a.m. Then I go into glass of water in which I have a glass of water. Then, sir, I start on going to get fresh. Sir, how much time do I take to get fresh? All but 5 to 10 minutes only. Then, sir, I keep on going to downside. Sir, I have to unlock the lock of the man door because our milkman daily comes at around 7 to 7:15 a.m. Sir, my Bhabiji daily takes the milk from the milkman at around 7 to 7:15 a.m. Sir, then I I start on brushing my teeth at around 6:50 a.m. Sir, then I start on going to upward and up to get switch on of the geyser in the context of winter. Then sir I get myself able to bathe by hot water in the context of winter. Sir, then I start on getting ready to go office. Then sir I have only 10 to 20 minutes for the breakfast. Then I say to my Bhabiji, you better give me breakfast. My elder brother deliberately lets me have the breakfast up to 8 or 10 a.m. Then sir I keep on going to downside and I say to my elder brother, please draw my bike from the bike stand. Sir, then I have to keep on. Then sir, then I have to keep on wearing the socks and shoes up to 8 to 8:10 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. Then sir, I start on driving the bike. Sir, then I have to driving the bike up to 9 a.m. Sir, I have to keep on driving the bike up to 9 a.m. Sir, then I reach the office at around 9 to 9:15 a.m. Sir, today I reached the office at around 8:50 a.m. Sir, now I am waiting to come of the director. Sir, sir, I'm getting myself able to wait to come of the director up to 10 a.m. Sir, sir, today I have to be doing some extra work of the office. Sir, sir, Director ma'am is letting Sujit draw the mails from the mailbox. Sir, Sujit deliberately have to be letting me go to establishment section to take the number for this letter. Sir, I'm always telling truth. Sir, I'm never telling lie. Sir, last any guest should be coming into the director office. Sir, today my director ma'am, yes sir, today my director ma'am has come at around 10:30 a.m. Sir, nowadays I have started on bringing the bag of the director ma'am into his director chamber. Sir, Sir, Gautam has kept on managing the GCR in the absence of Rajneesh Bhaiya. Sir, today, sir, today, sir, today I have got myself able to complete one course of Karma Yogi of the Rao sir. Sir, sir, I have to have completed 5 courses of the Karma Yogi in the context of Mission Karma Yogi. Sir, Director ma'am, sir, Director ma'am has deliberately let the Sujit draw the mail from the mailbox. Sir, sir, Director ma'am has, sir, nowadays Director ma'am has started on letting me make the tea for the director. Sir, Neelu ma'am has, sir, Neelu ma'am has deliberately kept on letting Rajneesh do some extra work. Sir, Fatima ma'am, sir, today Fatima ma'am hasn't deliberately, sir, today Fatima ma'am hasn't deliberately got herself able to let me sir, today Fatima ma'am hasn't deliberately got herself able to let me go to genetics division to bring her mobile. Yes sir. Yes sir, Director ma'am. Yes sir, Director ma'am deliberately has to have. Yes sir, Director ma'am deliberately has to have let Sujit do the work of leave. करने देना पड़ा है. Yes sir, Director ma'am deliberately has to have let Sujit do the work of the leave. Sir, it's RPC meeting, so I've been making the tea for 2 days. Sir, the director ma'am has been, sir, the director ma'am deliberately have been coming the office before 9:30 a.m. in the context of RPC meeting. Sir, sir, I have been writing in the diary for 2 years. Sir, I've been making the tea for 2 days in the context of RPC meeting. Sir, director ma'am deliberately have been coming in the office before 9:30 a.m. in the context of RPC meeting. Sir, Sujit is a steno. Sir, Sujit is a steno, has been drawing the mail from the mail application for 2 years. Sir, Sujit is a steno, has been getting himself able to draw the mail from the mail application for 2 years. Sir, sir, director ma'am, sir, director ma'am has been deliberately let sir, director ma'am has been sir, director ma'am sir, director ma'am has been letting Sujit manage the PS work. Sir, director ma'am has been deliberately letting Sujit manage the PS work for 2 years. Sir, sir, director ma'am deliberately has to have been letting Sujit make the tour sanction form for herself. Yes, sir, I've completed all the criteria of the present tense.